Hey guys, this video is all about how to grow Brahmi in container. Now, probably you already know that Brahmi has lots of health benefits, but I would say only one single thing, and that is if you have kids at your home, you must grow Brahmi at your home. Alright, and you can get you can buy the Brahmi in any vegetable market, and this is what I did so that I can grow at my home, and at the same time I would be able to show you the different result. And please make sure to watch the full video because I am going to update the video till harvesting. Now here is a small tip. See, at the time of buying, please try to collect the Brahmis which have some kind of roots, as you can see here. And this way your Brahmi would grow much faster. But please also note that this is not mandatory. You can grow Brahmi very easily even they don't have any kinds of roots. Alright. I am using 8 inches of a pot, as you can see here, but honestly saying you don't need 8 inches of a pot, just 4 inches deep would be enough, just like this pot. And you can even use the clay pot or any kind of pot, but make sure that your pot has at least one drainage hole and keep something on the drainage hole so that water can drain out well. You can do just like this way. While filling the pot with the potting mix, please press the soil very lightly or even tap down the pot so that air pockets are removed. And while filling, also please make sure that there is a gap of at least half inches to 1 inches in between the top layer of the soil and surrounding the rim, and that way only you are going to water your plant properly. You can also see that I have already filled my pot with the potting mix, and for my potting mix I am taking this way 70% of normal garden soil and 30% of compost cow dung powder. Please note that my soil is already a bit sandy, so I am not adding any kind of sand, and if your soil is really somewhat like clay type, that time you would like to add at least 20 to 25% of sand in the potting mix. Okay, let's begin the process. As you can see, they have nice roots, but like I said earlier, you don't have to worry. I'm just going to do some cuttings and it's really simple. Just insert them in the soil and that's it. If soil is tight for you, then you can use a stick, obviously. You can also keep this way, in a horizontal way, since they cover a lots of space. Alright, I am just going to keep on continue the process and I will be showing you how it looks. As you can see, I am already done. Now I am going to give it little bit amount of water. From tomorrow onward, I am going to keep the pot in a bright area for next couple of days, and after that I am going to keep the pot in a place where it would be getting at least few hours of morning sunlight. Now like I said earlier, please keep watching and I will be showing you how it looks after 20 days, and I will be updating the video till first harvesting. Alright. Hey guys, updating the video almost after 30 days, and you can see that my Brahmis have grown really nicely, as you can see here, and they are 100% ready for harvesting. By the way, please note that this is the end part of the video, and in this part I am going to discuss all the important things. Alright, so the first important thing is sunlight. See, whenever you grow the Brahmis in container, please try to provide them at least few hours of direct sunlight. Let's say morning sunlight would be fine till around 10 or 11 am, and all of my Brahmis are getting the morning sunlight till around 11 am, and you can see that they have grown really nicely. They don't need whole day of sunlight, and they are not going to be doing fine if you provide them the afternoon sunlight. So if possible, please try to provide them the morning sunlight. The next important thing is proper watering. See, just sprinkle water daily and that way your Brahmis will be doing fine. Let me show you how you can do that. Just sprinkle water daily and that will be fine for your Brahmis. And if you prepare the soil the way I shown you, you don't have to worry about overwatering your Brahmis. You also don't have to think too much about fertilizing your Brahmis, but if you want, you can do it, and I apply this fertilizer once in a month. And to apply this kind of a fertilizer, you can take near about 1.5 ml to 2 ml in 1 liter of water and then spray once in a month. I am not sure whether you are going to get this fertilizer in your place or not, so I will be writing down the name of the fertilizer in the description box. You also don't have to worry about applying the pesticide, but watch out for the caterpillar. As you can see, some new growths are already eaten. As you can see here, this one, and you can apply apply the neem oil to protect your plants from different kind of pests attack, but sadly saying neem oil doesn't work against the caterpillar, and I could have applied a chemical pesticide like rocket, but I did not do that since they are already ready for harvesting. If you want to apply the neem oil, it's really very easy. Just take near about 5 ml of neem oil, 4 ml of light hand wash, mix them into 1 liter of water, and then spray your plants once in a 7 to 10 days. By the way, I have a video where I have shown the best way to apply the neem oil, so please do check out that video. I will put the link in the description box. And if you want to apply any kind of chemical pesticide, let's say rocket or even rogot, then don't take more than 1 ml in 1 liter of water. Alright, so that's it guys. It's really very simple to grow the Brahmis, like I said you already, and you should grow it and enjoy in your kitchen. So guys, thank you very much for taking your valuable time to watch the video, and if you have any questions or doubts, simply write down below and I would get back to you as soon as possible. And at the same time, if you have experience of growing Brahmis in container, please share your experience with us so that many viewers along with myself will be able to learn something new from you. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please do me a favor, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Even if you did not like the video, please let me know by commenting so that I can improve myself. Thank you once again, and before leaving, please also do check out some of my other videos where I have shown growing lots of other kinds of kitchen vegetables. Thank you, have a great day, and let me also show you the bloom of the Brahmis. Thank you.